Good morning, good morning, good morning. So it's a beautiful morning, and I'm heading to the farm. I have my bike here, and I'm carrying a load of some breakfast of those who are working for us in the farm. It's actually an energizer. Okay, so I have the energizer. We are preparing the farm for another planting season, and I stayed behind to make some breakfast or energizer, which is normally porridge, and just something heavy, either porridge with githeri or cassava or sweet potato. Yeah, just something heavy. People normally prefer porridge and accompanied with something heavy in the morning. So I'm heading there right now in my bike. I don't know whether I can shoot while riding. It's the first, not the first time actually. I wanna try ride in one hand as I shoot. I don't know whether I can do it. Okay, so while we go there, I'll show you. We have a sugarcane farm there. We are also preparing a place where we want to plant the maize again. Achio maber. Yeah, I'm on the road, so you'll hear a lot of people saying hi. Whew. Yes, it's you. How much you are the pudo kai? My phone holder, whatever I'm using to hold this phone is crazy. I just see whenever I pass someone, they be smiling. But I don't care. No, I'm doing me, you just do you. Nobody cares. Okay, so the farm is quite some distance. Which you nade? Baby girl nyaka bed creative. I told you. Whatever I'm using to hold this phone is just crazy. Okay, so I wanna try ride on one hand so I can show you around some nice beautiful houses. But the load is so heavy. Will I manage? There is me. There is me. So the farm is quite some distance, and it's not so far though. We are just about to get there. Oh my god, I'm doing it! Baby girl on one hand with the heavy load. I hope I won't fall down. Okay. So there are some nice houses that people are building here. I don't know whether you can see that house. Oh my god, I'm unable to show it. People be building some nice houses in this village. Yani village imeanza kukaa kama runda. Man, the confidence. If someone sees me again, they are gonna laugh. Oh my God. I'm doing it. So we are just about to get there. And yeah, here we are. Tumefika. So as you can see, let me show it. Hey, Atefo, uchiona Kagoi picha. Atefo actually tatingo ni nyaka ginene kawuono. Yawa. Wash up.
Buddy. Okay, relax.
Duong kali no kaduari.
Relax. Relax.
Diange maywayo.
Hai. Anya.
Duogo kon. Chalo ng'eriembo. Bas. Come on.
Wait.
Sure.
Mano. Bugo. Sudah. Logo. Bugo. No da obi ku da ogo. Ku lo kende. Mari. Bugo. Mucho. Bugo. Ya. Ode. Gimana? Gimana? Bugo. Juga. Dogo mimi kada madala. Juga hivi. look up. Hey. Oh. Hey. Go. Hey. Ah. Like that. Hey. Go. Okay.
Gosh.
I'm tired already. Let me give myself some energizer. Sasa niko hapa. Okay, I was holding my phone using this thing. Okay. So I need to tame my hunger kidogo. I came last and I'm the first to serve myself porridge. Anyway, I'm not used to such kind of work, so I got hungry and tired all of a sudden. So this is not the only farm that we have. I want to show you around. There is this porridge that I've left here for this guy, and there are also some other guys that are weeding our sugarcane farm. So let's head down there as I sip my porridge. So this farm is by the road. Here is the road, and here is the farm. So we plan to plant some maize here, some beans and groundnuts. It's not a big space though, but it's bigger as you move down. Okay, so the guys are still finishing up, so we can move down there. Okay, so when you move down here, there is that boundary that separates this farm from this other one, but it belongs to the same person. It belongs to my family, but we be farming it. So I think we just need to clear that fence. It was a separate land. Okay, that's where there is that partition. The upper area was separate from the lower area, but we bought the whole farm. Yeah, so we just haven't had time to slash this down, but I think it should be slashed down because this is one farm. So we already planted this space down here. We already planted some maize and beans, and we did the planting I think 2 days ago. Yeah, then as I go down to the very far end of the farm is where we have our sugarcane. Is where we have the sugarcane. Yeah, right. So there are people who are weeding inside the sugarcane farm, and I'm carrying them some porridge. I'm sure you can spot someone already. So when you are here, you can't see that space where we were weeding. It's up there. This is a 6-acre farm, so it's so big and it's slopey. Sure. The farm does not belong to me and my husband. It's just for a family member who isn't busy with it yet. So siwe na pressure nani. There we are. I won't show their faces because I didn't tell them I was shooting. Habari asubuhi. Uko salama? Wapi wenzako? Wenzako? Yule mama mlikuwa naye, ilikuwa yule kijana mwingine. Hajafika leo? Oh. Oh. Ni sawa. So half of this farm is covered with sugarcane. I told you when we are down here, we can't see the upper side. So we are in the lower side of the farm where we planted the sugarcane. It's covering half of the farm, like 3 acres of the farm is covered with sugarcane. So this is also the first time we are farming sugarcane, and we are just hoping for the best. Yeah, I'm heading to some stream down here to wash my hands. Yeah, so we are at the very end of the farm. I think the stream is somewhere here. Let me use this path to get there. Ha? Here is the stream. This is actually underground water. It's always it's just this small and it's clean water because it comes from below. Since I have no any other business here, I'm heading home. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye and see you in my next video.